Okay, work safe internal corners. What we're going to show you today is just putting them in by hand and then putting them in with a compound tube with the AH38 compound with the glazer. So you'll actually see the movements by hand, you're bending and stretching. With a compound tube, with a roller, with a glazer, your stretching is virtually zero. It's saving your body heaps, and it is the better way to go. A lot quicker once again without compromising quality. Well, we're going to do this internal here by hand, and before we start, just want to point out these joints we've set up at 600 and 1800. I'm not 6 foot tall, that's just my ego. But I'm going to tape this by hand, and you'll actually see how much the body actually works in comparison with doing the internal by hand and using the compound tube. I've already measured and cut the tape, pre-formed, laid into the corner. Right, we've got the tape in. We'll just bed it in, take out any excess compound, lay it in nice and flat. So there was the other joint, just to skim over the top. That in its day was quite an acceptable internal. Did you see the bend and the stretch? You're up and down like the sun. But in time it does wear you out. So we'll now click over, we'll show you the way with a compound tube, which will be so much easier. Okay, we've done the hand. Now we've got the compound tube all filled up. AH38 on the top. You'll see the difference of the body movements on installing these tapes. Just incredible. Right, once again we just put the tape in with our roller. Just a nice light roll first, so it centers itself. A little bit more pressure. With the glazing head. It's like that, it's so simple, it should have been done years ago. But if you haven't got the tool, you'll be behind times. Saving your body, increasing your outlay, your workload. But just so much easier, that gives you a much more professional job.